It's the start of Derek's vlog. Today we're gonna go to Cane's. I don't know where else we're going. We're just going to Cane's. Today only. And
thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, comment.
No, it's not done yet, bro.
Oh.
Because we still have to go to Cane's.
Oh, okay.
I literally went to Cane's earlier. I don't know if you see that.
And now we're going to Cane's again.
Cane's.
I just spit that on one watch. Flawless daughter carrots, that's on one watch. Eat a store and go to 7-Eleven. My God, me and my bros can Chalorella side by side.
So what's up, you guys? I'm editing the video now. We ended up going to a few dealerships. We went to Hyundai, Honda, Mazda, and I believe that was all. After that, we ended up just bowling for the rest of the night. It's starting to become a new hobby, so if you want to see some clips of us bowling, leave it down in the comment section below. But yeah, it was a pretty uneventful day. Right now, as I'll explain in the video right now, I got a ticket for my front license plate, but I just put that on and I recorded that, so you guys can go check that out right now in the video. Thanks for sticking around, and let's go. Let's get it. So what's up, you guys? It's the next day. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this in the past, but I actually ended up getting a speeding ticket on my way to Vegas. It was just a speeding ticket. The officer, he was pretty chill about it. It was just literally like a, I don't know, 5-minute stop. He just pulled me over, was like, "Did you know you're speeding?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he gave me the ticket. I went on my way, and then I just recently got the ticket in the mail, and that fine wasn't too bad. It's what you would expect for a speeding ticket. But I also received a fix-it ticket as well, which was never mentioned, but I don't know, for some reason he had to add that in there. So that actually happened to be for my front license plate, since I'm not running it on my car. So we have this to fix that problem. I just bought this off of Amazon, literally like 25 bucks. So we're gonna see if we can mount that up to my car from the tow hook, and then we'll see if we can go take it to the police station and get it checked off.
I just tried the chicken, put it in a bezel. Caterpillar, Lamborghini, but the Rari bitter. I know just who did it, but I can't say nothing. Bought the bitch, the Hermes crop, it got poison another. The bro got rocks in his ass. You know the police can't stop him in his jazz. Pocket bone crusher, I won't never take it back to heaven.
It is time to start putting on the kit. We're gonna start installing this. I'll go step by step just in case any of you guys happen to have any of a fix-it ticket. Let me put you guys down real quick. Yeah, just in case you guys have any fix-it tickets for some reason and you happen to stumble upon this video, I'll go ahead and show you how to put that on. It's super easy. Should take no more than maybe 10 minutes, maybe even less, honestly. But let's get this install going, and then we will take it to the station. So what's gonna come in this kit, if I can open this up one-handed, we have the plate, like the thing that the license plate will go on to. We have the piece that extends out from here so that it doesn't happen to hit our car. I don't even know what this is for. And we have the bolts to bolt everything together. I honestly might just try and like put it together just based off of knowledge, but yeah, I guess we'll see. So first off, we're gonna start by popping off this tow hook cap. You're just gonna stick your screwdriver in there, kind of pop out this little corner. You're gonna kind of just pull it straight towards you, and then it'll be kind of tied in with this little string. You can kind of just feed it through. It's like a little Y. It just keeps it from falling out of the bumper. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna install this piece inside area. Go ahead and put that on there just for now. So now I'm trying to figure out where I kind of want the plate. Probably thinking something like this. It would look kind of weird any other way. So I'll probably just place it right there in the center. So yeah, this is gonna go onto here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Allen key that it comes with and then tighten it on there. Now I'm going to start putting the screws through. Do that on the back side. Oh shit. And then anytime that I get pulled over for front plate, I'll just go ahead and throw this thing on there, take it to the station, have it fixed. I think the cost to get the thing
signed off was only like 25 bucks, so it's not super bad. Now, let's finish screwing this one in. And then, of course, there's this piece in the back that's kind of like keeping everything tight. So just go ahead and tighten that, and then, yeah. This is what my car looks like now. So, as you can tell, it's not super hard to put on the front license plate. If you just so happen to get pulled over for it and the cop needs a reason and gives the front plate to you, go ahead and buy this off of Amazon. It's only like 25 bucks again. They got way more expensive options I've seen on some websites it'd be like 70, 80 bucks. Honestly, this one does the job. But yeah, go ahead and get one of those if you ever get a fix-it ticket for your front plate, and highly recommend. Yeah, let's go ahead and take it to the police station now to get it signed off, and then we'll be all good. Yeah. So I ended up coming to the police station. I'm like literally right out front right now. But what happened was I came in. I don't have the actual ticket yet. It's supposed to come in the mail sometime soon. This letter that I have is just notifying me that I was cited for it, or like just that it was noted that I'm written down for it. So right now I have to actually wait until I get that ticket, and then I'm able to come back and then get it signed off and everything. So I did this too early. Yeah, it's kind of sad. I literally just put it on and I still can't get it signed off. So it's kind of sick to have it already, just so I know everything's good to go. But I'll just wait until I receive the actual ticket, and then I'll bring it back and get it signed off. But yeah, I believe that's gonna be all for today's video though. Yeah, early in the vlog, like, you know, it was all shenanigans, but all jokes aside, you got to see the install of the license plate. Again, 25 bucks on Amazon. Just go do it if you have to get it done. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and be safe, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.